What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Staying Alpha, and today I'm going to show you guys the sauce, and that is how to do a muscle up. What's going on, bros? We are over here at the park. It is a beautiful day. So guys, I want to run you guys through the steps on how to do a muscle up. A lot of them out there say you have to go ahead and do 10 pull-ups or 15 pull-ups. I want to say that is false, because I have seen women doing muscle ups and even teenagers, 13, 14-year-olds that cannot do 10 pull-ups or 15 pull-ups, and they're still doing muscle ups. So guys, I want you to still be able to have the upper body strength, but it's mostly technique. So I'm gonna go ahead and break down different steps to get you to do a muscle up. And also guys, a lot of these steps you could do it with a regular squat rack that you could adjust a Smith machine, and it will take you as well through these steps, and I'm gonna go ahead and explain it to you as we go along. So let's get it started. Step one, you have to know how to do pull-ups. Now, you do need upper body strength. A lot of them out there say that you need to be able to do 10 or 15 pull-ups. I actually disagree. Now, however, I cannot give you a number, but you do need to be able to have upper body strength, because obviously you got to carry yourself up. But now you do not need to do 10 or 15 pull-ups, because I've seen a lot of women out there and teens that they're able to do muscle ups, but they cannot do 10 or 15 pull-ups. So either way, let's get to the pull-ups. Now guys, when you do the pull-ups, you want to try to go as high as possible and really try to develop that strength, that explosion strength. Boom. That's 1, 2. Try to make it touch your chest. 3. That's how you do it. Now let's go to step number 2. Number 2, I want you guys to learn the motion. And basically, you could do this in a Smith machine or in a squat machine, in a squat rack. And I want you to turn that negative into a positive. You could turn a negative into a positive, but not a positive into a positive. And that is with any workout. So all I want you to do is practice the movement, practice the negative. So when you're up like this in the muscle up, all I want you to do is just get used to this. Bringing your body down. Let's get used to bringing your body down. That's something that really helped me out in learning the muscle up. So just slowly control the negative, boom, fall down. Excuse the microphone, y'all. So once again, any negative that you do, you have to control it. You're just learning the motion, because it's something new, something that you guys have not done. So guys, from here, same thing in a squat rack, in a squat machine, put it low so you're able to do it. And I want you guys to practice your L-sits. And the L-sits, I'm gonna tell you in the next move why it's important. It's still part of the step 2. So from the L-sits, grab onto the bar and now do a pull-up. Do it as high as you can. So practice the negative, practice the L-sit pull-ups from the floor, from how I was doing it, from a sitting position. Keep your core tight, pull up, practice your L-sit pull-ups. And now, the swing. All right, y'all, step number 3. So when you do a muscle up, the most important thing is getting down the technique. The technique is learn how to swing and then learn how to explode. So when you come underneath the pull-up bar, do not be directly underneath it. Why? Because once you're gonna pop up, you have no maneuvering, no space to go like this, because if you're directly underneath it, you're gonna lock your body up. And that's where a lot of you guys fail. So instead, if come underneath the pull-up bar, take a step back, and by taking a step back, now you're creating the distance to pop up. Now you're actually gonna be able to bring your body all the way up, because from underneath it, if you're underneath it, you're locked in. But taking a step back, now you have more of a space to create that explosion. So guys, now let's talk about the swinging. Pretend you have an imaginary dot right in front of you and you want to place it in front of you. That is the new iPhone Pro, by the way, so I definitely do not want to smash that. So you want to grab onto the bar, You got your imaginary dot and just swing to your imaginary dot. Or do what I did, place an item. And now once you swing, pop your chest. When you get to it, pop your chest. Pop your chest. And if you see, I'm swinging and swinging and swinging because I'm gaining more momentum. So guys, practice the swinging, practice popping your chest out. And now what comes second after popping your chest and you're creating that momentum is the L-sit. So if you guys remember, we spoke about the L-sit. So from popping your chest out, you're swinging back and you want to go into an L-sit. It's gonna look something like this.
Blazing on the track, boy.
Woo. So y'all, that is the steps to doing the muscle ups. So practice the swings, practice the negatives, keep doing your pull-ups, and you're gonna build yourself up to a muscle up. So now let's actually do the actual muscle up. We're gonna use all the techniques that I showed you. Swing, pop chest, come up. Woo. And guys, that is how you do a muscle up. All right, y'all. So if you got to the end of this video, you have learned the steps on how to do a muscle up. So a muscle up is definitely coming in a future near you. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and always remember, stay alpha.